Ever found yourself wanting to watch your favorite YouTube videos offline, whether on a long flight or during a commute with spotty internet? Downloading YouTube videos can be a game changer, allowing you to enjoy content anytime, anywhere. Imagine having your favorite tutorials, music videos, or vlogs at your fingertips, ready to play without buffering or ads. Whether you're prepping for a presentation, planning a road trip, or just want to save on data, learning how to download YouTube videos can make your digital life so much smoother. Ready to dive in and unlock this handy trick? Let's get started. TikTokers, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to elevate your TikTok game and discover what makes your videos pop, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of TikTok. Thanks for sticking around till the end of the video. If you enjoyed this content and want to see more, don't forget to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button to join our awesome community. See you in the next one.